BTO Garage. Slowly, let the dust drop. We'll uncover the beauty underneath. BTO Garage. Rust freckles, cracked rubber, cloudy lenses, but the body lines are still perfect.
BTO Garage. Easy, and the cabin's been sleeping for decades. We'll restore every stitch and switch.
First, dry brush only, no scratches. Let the dust come off gently. Foam it completely, let it break down the grime before we touch the paint.
There it is, the color is still alive. Rinse slow, and let the dirt slide away.
No rushing here, dry dust first. Keep the old hoses safe.
Before we remove anything, photograph it, label it, and keep every bolt in order. Take the chrome off first. Slow turns, support the weight, and save every washer.
Headlights out, mark the wiring, keep the screws together, and don't chip the trim.
Lay everything in order. The reassembly will be effortless if the parts stay organized. Glass is fragile. Lift evenly. Keep the seal intact, and set it on the rack gently.
Wheel off, inspect the brakes and bearings. Every old noise starts right here. Seats out first, we need a clean shell before we touch the floors. Pull it up slowly, this is where moisture hides. Let's see what the floor is really like.
One connector at a time, tag every wire so it goes back exactly where it belongs. That gate is the soul of the car, and remove the console gently and keep every screw.
Clips, rods, and regulators. Photograph everything before it comes apart.
Clean shell first. Every speck you remove makes the next step easier. Drain it slow. Stale fuel can ruin everything if it gets inside again.
Chains on, really crash ring, double check the mounts and balance before we lift.
Lift slow, clear the mounts. This is the heart of the restoration.
Gearbox off. Keep the bolts grouped and protect the input shaft.
Valve covers off. Document everything. Every gasket and surface tells a story.
Lay it out like a map. Every bushing, spacer, and bolt has its place.
First cut, steady pressure. Strip the old layers without heating the metal.
Cut until it's clean steel. Rust left behind always comes back.
Grind it flush, slow passes. The goal is smooth metal, not thin metal. Skim coat only, just enough to perfect the shape, nothing more.
Long block, straight strokes. Let the guide coat tell you the truth.
Perfect gaps first. Paint will only look as good as the alignment underneath.
Primer on the repair thin coats. Let it flash, then we level it. Ask everything twice. Paint goes everywhere you forget to cover.
Same red, freshly laid, keep the gun moving and the coat even.
Clear coat. Watch the reflection. One smooth, wet pass at a time.
Fresh carbs. Smooth linkages. If it breathes right, it runs right. Clean parts, new gaskets. Torque it slowly. This is how leaks stay in the past.
Clean wiring, solid connections. Electricity hates corrosion.
Bring it down. A little left. Align the mounts, then we lock it in. Fresh fluids, oil first, then coolant, then brakes. No shortcuts.
New leather, fresh carpet. Now it finally feels like a Ferrari again. Chrome on, lights in. Every detail is back where it belongs.
That's it. Flawless curves, deep shine. Finished. Here we go, ignition on. Listen, let it catch. From barn dust to showroom shine, time to drive it into the light. Smooth, steady throttle. Let the V12 stretch its legs.